Danny gang. I wanted to come to you with a tutorial, like something that helps you guys out. So a lot of people don't understand or don't know how to wash their braided wigs. So I wanted to do a video showing you guys how to do it. It's very easy. In this video, I'm going to be showing you, I'll probably put it on the screen for you. Let me step over here a little bit. I'll put it on the screen for you here. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I washed this beautiful wig here. This is from Fabulosity Hair. I will put the information down below, and if you want more detailed information about this wig, I will put my review video up so that way you guys can watch it. I've already washed her. You guys can see the braids are not unraveling. She still looks healthy and shiny. Her braids look brand freaking new. Okay, this is a beautiful wig, and they make quality wigs on their site. All the braids are normally just absolutely gorgeous, and the wigs are absolutely gorgeous. I reviewed for them several times over. So I will link this video down below in the description bar, plus some other ones I did for them. So normally for me, when it comes to my braided wigs, what I do first is I just run my fingers through the wigs, because I want to make sure none of the braids are tangled up. So just comb through them, because you don't want those to get tangled or matted while you're washing them. So you'll take a basin and fill it up with warm water and whatever shampoo you use. I use a Tresemme shampoo, the one that controls frizz, so that way it'll hopefully control the frizz of the wig. And I don't do hot yet. I don't do cold. I just do warm water, so that way it'll help break up any kind of dirt, or if you're like me and you wear makeup, it'll break up the makeup, or if you have any gel or glue on the lace, it'll help dissolve that as well. And I also take time, because I don't want the wig to be in the water for too long, so I take time and I rub gently on the lace where the glue or the gel is at, so it helps break it up. Also, if you want to, you can add a little bit of shampoo to the hairline of the lace and just gently massage it. You don't want to be scratching the wig, because it's going to disrupt the hair and make it all frizzy. You don't want that. So I just gently massage it to break up the product along the hairline. So then I take the wig and I just swish it around in the water, making sure it has time to really get the shampoo in it so that it can break up the dirt and whatever product is in the wig. Once I'm done with that, I rinse the wig really good in some warm water so that I can get all the shampoo out of it. So I take that same basin, I fill it up with warm water, and I add the conditioner to it. I'm also using the Tresemme brand when it comes to the conditioner. And I do the same technique, you guys. I take that wig and I swish it around in that water that the conditioner can get on the wig and try to soften it. It is like synthetic braiding hair mixed in there, so you can only get it so soft. But I just swish it around in that water and get it all covered in conditioner. And then once I'm done with that, I go ahead and again rinse it off with some warm water. Once that process is done, I then switch over to steaming hot water. You want to seal those braids so that they don't unravel. So once that water is steaming hot, I take the whole wig and run it through that water. So after that's done, I put my wig into a towel and I press the water out of it, trying to get as much out of it as possible. Just press, press, press. I'm not doing this, you don't want to get your braids frizzy. I'm just pressing that water out of the braids. And then I place my wig on the mannequin head. So with the wig being on the mannequin head, I have more control of how I want the braids to look and lay, and I can style them easier. So I put the wig on the mannequin head. It is still wet. It's still wet. Don't forget about that. So now I use some scissors and I trim any kind of frayed hairs that are sticking out of the braids. It's the same way like when you get your hair braided and they go through and they cut the hairs, and then some people will take a lighter and light the braids. I don't do that. I'm too afraid of setting my wig on fire. But I do go through with some scissors and trim up any hairs that might be sticking up on the braids. And after I'm done with that, I apply some mousse to help set the hair and get everything laid down. I'm using the Pantene Pro V curl mousse. So I use this on the hair, and you take a lot of mousse, you guys. Rub it through my hands and start applying it to the hair and running it down through the braids. This hair is so soft. Like for synthetic hair, like the synthetic braiding hair they mix into here, it's really soft. And as you guys can see, it's not stiff. Not stiff at all. It's just, it moves, it has body. So anyways, I've already went ahead and did this wig, so let's see how she looks. I haven't even looked at it yet, you guys, since I did it last night. So far the braids look amazing, and she smells delightful. Oh yeah, she still looks beautiful. They make the best freaking wig. If you guys, let me stop. Fabulosity Hair guys make some bomb wigs, and they have a variety of wigs, and they try to stay up on what's trendy, so they're always keeping in theme with what's on trend at the moment. So you can get you whatever kind of braiding wig you want. And it's so much more convenient because you can slap it on and go. And like if you're like me and you can't wear braids all day, every day, because I cannot sleep in braids. Cannot sleep in braids. But then you can come home and take off your wig and sleep in your hair, and then the next day you can put it back on again. And theirs come with elastic bands in it, so that way if you want to lay it down with some glue or some gel, you don't have to, because the elastic band will keep it flush against your head. So yeah, anyways, like I said, I will link the review video for this wig at the end of this video and down below in the description bar. Baby is looking beautiful. So this is how she looks now after her washing and conditioning. Like I said, that mousse really helps set everything into place. So you take this off, you can go ahead and like style your baby hairs however you want to. Like for my pointed, I normally just take one of the braids and just wrap it around. Like she is just such a beautiful wig, you guys. Just so absolutely gorgeous. So that's how I wash my wigs. And as you guys can see, they still come out looking brand new and flexible and not stiff and not super duper frizzy. Of course, you're going to have some frizz because washing a braided wig, but you can maintain it and control how much frizz you have on your wig. Now, for me, I don't put like any kind of shine products on the wig because I feel like since it already has like some sort of synthetic braiding hair mixed in there, I don't want to add extra sheen to that. To me, it starts to look a little bit really unnatural. So I don't put any shine products on it because it already has a natural luster to it. I don't put any oil or anything like that on my braids because, like I said, it's going to be touching your face. All I do is put the mousse on and she's good to go. And she's already been conditioned, like when we conditioned her while we were washing her. So she's good. So yeah, that's the wig. This is how I wash my braided wigs. Hopefully that was helpful. And I will catch you guys in the next video. So until then, stay fierce, stay fabulous. Melissa Danielle.